The Sugess Moonphase watch offers a blend of elegance and precision that appeals to modern gentlemen. Featuring the reliable Seagull ST2528 automatic mechanical movement, this timepiece ensures accurate timekeeping with a touch of sophistication. The watch showcases a striking blue sandstone dial, creating a subtle shimmer that mimics the beauty of a starlit night sky. Crafted from high-quality 316L stainless steel, the 41mm case is both durable and stylish. The sapphire crystal mirror adds scratch resistance, while the 14mm thickness gives it a bold wrist presence without feeling bulky. Weighing only 87 grams, it's comfortable for daily wear, and the genuine leather strap with a classic pin buckle complements its refined design. With 50 meters of water resistance, it handles splashes and brief immersion with ease. The Japan BGW9 Luminous markers provide visibility in low light, while the standout features, a big date display and elegant moonphase complication, add function and charm. Measuring 51mm from lug to lug and fitting a 21mm strap, the Sugess Moonphase watch is a perfect fusion of craftsmanship and style.